I love sweet peppers. If you cut into a sweet pepper, what you're gonna find is a lot of seeds. One time I decided to take out the seeds from the red, the yellow, and the orange and plant them. So I ended up with about 15 to 20 different seeds. And of those seeds, only 2 to 3 germinated, so actually came up. The other big surprise was that while my sweet peppers were red, yellow, and orange, all of the seeds and then eventually the sweet peppers that came were all a light green. So it wasn't even the same color. That's when I learned about heirloom seeds. Heirloom seeds are stable, meaning what you plant is what you get. And most of the store peppers, well, they're hybrids. They are bred for things like shelf life and uniformity. When you save these seeds, you're basically rolling the dice. Pepper seeds are slow and stubborn to germinate. It's not you. Take a look at this. So these pepper seeds, they have a hard outer shell, which makes it very difficult to germinate. Before you plant pepper seeds, do this one thing first. Take 2 bags of chamomile tea, boil it, and then let it seep and then cool down to room temperature. Once you have that, you can take these bags then out, and then you want to take your seeds. So I'm going to take these seeds and I'm going to then, and notice how dark it is, that's good. I'm going to take these seeds and I'm going to put them inside. Once you poured your seeds inside your double seeped chamomile tea, you'll notice that there might be some seeds that are floating at the top while inside, and I'll show you all this. I'm going to turn my camera so you can see this. You'll notice that inside there are seeds on the bottom. That's very important. Any seed that is floating on top like this, we want to remove and throw away. They're not viable. The ones on the bottom in 12 to 24 hours, those will be the ones that we plant. Chamomile tea is really important because, one, it helps to soften the outer shell. It has antifungal properties that also help with the seed as it germinates. And it just gives your seed a much better probability of germinating and growing, which is exactly what we want. So again, if you want to have these multicolored sweet peppers, you need to get them not from your local grocery store. They may grow. However, you don't know what you're getting. If you want to guarantee you get the colors, you want to get a seed packlet because these seed packets are heirloom. That means what you see is what you get. Happy gardening. Got a tip? Drop it below.